It's Memorial Day weekend and I'm headed off to Cambridge. That's the plan. I'm gonna go to Cambridge and then hopefully Oxford. Got low 70s, low humidity, some good wind. Today it's supposed to be the windiest of the days. It's supposed to be about 15 with gusts to 25 later. All right, here we go. So, not a lot of wind right now, but keep this double reefed main. It's supposed to build. It's supposed to get a little gusty today, which here comes a gust right now. Good speed, nice and comfortable, not too tippy, easy to manage when you're single-handed. Just white knuckling it, wing and wing here. Okay, we've entered the Choptank and doing pretty good. Definitely picked up, as you can see, a bit, and we're rod reaching. Yeah, it's good sailing. Trying to get in. Looks like sometime around 7:30. I'm just trying to do the best I can with the speed here. Neck and neck with that sailboat over there for quite a while. I caught up to him. Can't seem to get by him. But we're having fun. It's nice out. Deep in the Choptank now. Pretty good surge in here. These waves and wind are against the current, so it's a little rolly, a little choppy. They're not too big. It's just kind of a lot of motion. Doing pretty well, broad reaching. At some point, I think soon, I'm going to turn dead downwind again and try that because we'll be headed straight down into the Choptank. It gets a lot narrower. no joke, man. This is crazy right here. The river gets really narrow. There's a lot of current, I think, here. And these waves just like stacked up. It's pretty wild. I'd say we got a good 15 to 20. It's a narrow little cut here. Shallows right over there, right where that mark is. And then there's shallows over there too, so you gotta just be on it here. Let's see what we're working with. Beautiful. Made it to Cambridge, and it really picked up. I think there were winds. You can tell it's still blowing. I'm gonna say it was 25 at least, and it got kind of squirrely there for a second, but we're good now. Right, here we are in Cambridge, all tied up. Got the 72-hour spot. It's free, and she's looking good. It's the next day, and I poked around the town a bit, got some coffee, took some photos. Cambridge is a cool town. I want to come back and check out more, but I'm gonna head up to Oxford. All right, I got my new sunglasses, my new boat glasses, and I'm leaving Cambridge. And we're headed to Oxford. It's blowing pretty good. Definitely got some gusts out here, but nothing we can't manage. You know, with the sliver of jib and 2 reefs, it's not too bad. My sails are so blown out and old. I can't wait to get my new ones. 4.5 knots. That's pretty good, I'd say. I don't know if you can see that. My tacking angles are atrocious. This wind, it's like hoping I get little like curls around these corners. It took 3 hours to go about 5 miles, and this is that that spot where the Choptank River gets real narrow. Here we go. Made it to Oxford. It's like a sleepy little marina called Cutts Case, and I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. But that was a slog up the Choptank, tacking back and forth several times. I don't even know how many times I tacked. I'm gonna chill out, take some photos here, walk around a bit, grab a bite to eat, and call it a night. Well, I had a good night. I went to Capsize and had some shrimp tacos and hush puppies, and those were good. And got up, had a really good sleep on the boat last night, and really calm and quiet, so good sleep. And I'm just walking around Oxford, hanging out with the birds. It's really pretty. Lots of old homes and history. So apparently Oxford's known for their picket fences and the unique design. Everybody has the same fence design. It's the downtown area. You've got the police office, the museum, the creamery, some shops, coffee shop, tap room. Tavern, Mr. Morris. Mr. Morris, he's the man about town. Here's the ferry landing. I'll be headed out soon. I'll be going down the Tread Avon River behind me, which is what I came up last evening. I sailed up the river and around the bend to Oxford, and today I'll be going down, out, and around west out the Choptank to Herring Bay. Sailing out of the Tread Avon River. Back there's the park I was at earlier. Really nice day on a beam reach. Goodbye, Oxford. Just exited Tread Avon and in the Choptank. Close hold. shifty wind going on here. Heading north, trying to tack out of the Choptank. Keeps shifting from west to north to nothing to back and forth. A little frustrating. Almost made it. Stranded off Covey Point in the Choptank. Might be time to give up. It's been about a half hour. No wind. Got the autopilot working hard. And yeah, super nice day. Just enjoying it. Kind of cold actually. Got my sweatshirt on. I guess it's cold in the shade. I got the Bimini up today. Get out of the sun a bit. The wind's back. Just as I was getting into Herring Bay, the wind picked up quite a bit. Actually a lot right here as I was getting into the channel. So we're back home and it was a great trip. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.